So far, we've introduced MySQL databases and PhpMyAdmin for administering these databases. Every time we completed an action through the PhpMyAdmin GUI, like creating tables, adding records, modifying users, we communicated a set of instructions to our MySQL database. These instructions were translated into a language our database understands, known as SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. By its very definition, SQL is a special-purpose programming language designed to communicate with relational database management systems, or RDBMS. Remember, a MySQL database is one of many other databases that are able to interpret SQL language. Another such database is the PostgreSQL database. The standardization of SQL allows for compatibility with many databases. MySQL is named after the database's co-founder's daughter, whose name was My. This is where the My comes from in MySQL. Hopefully that clears up any confusion before we continue our discussion.